Hello everyone, today I'm going to dampen the noises on my Prusa MK3S Plus. What I've noticed is that the biggest noise is coming from the bed motor, and I'm going to dampen it a little bit. So firstly I will add a cork plate. It's not a very good idea in this case because it can actually make this part sit a little bit wobbly, but I will see. But the biggest improvement will be on adding a proper dampening plate which has a rubber in the middle and two proper steel plates to attach on the motor, and we'll see how it goes. Right, so I got it attached to the motor. This is how it looks. And by the way, whoever designed that plastic 3D printed part, he literally had no idea how the physics works, because you're not going to make part thinner where all the force is going around the screws. Literally this thing should have bigger material here, build up material. Why did you chamfer that corner? You just made it weaker. When the screw is pulling in, it will just crack, which happened in my case, and that was obvious, but I was tightening too much. Again, look at that, this is even weaker. This should be fully extended there, made it square to allow more material in the area where you screw the screws. Come on guys. For example here, why do you need this material here? It does nothing. That does nothing. Literally, you could chop it down here and add that material in that place instead. Right, let's get it going. I'm just gonna go and put it here, but I will try to attempt and use that cork plate. We'll see how it goes. One more thing, don't forget to offset your idler, puller in this case, by the thickness of that damping plate. Remember that, to push it out. Okay, so I have added this cork plate between that part, mounting part, 3D printed mounting part, and it actually, I think, is within the error tolerance I can accept, so I'll give it a go. I actually do quite a lot of force, put a lot of force on that to make it wiggle, or maybe from there I can literally move it slightly, but it shouldn't have a big effect on the actual printing, I hope. If not, if it comes out to be too soft, I'll remove that cork plate and just leave the dampening plate. I've run the dampening plates before on my previous Ender 3 and it did a great job, didn't affect the print, in my opinion at least. And I just decided to give it a go on my Prusa. First time ever, first Prusa in my life, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that is now properly fixed. I tightened even more and it looks like it keeps it nice and steady at the moment. I can't really, I can slightly move it, but that's even better than before. I can accept that. I will be happy to see how big improvement it will make on the noises of the motor, but obviously don't forget about these. These guys, I think they are the most noisy bearings I ever heard. So yeah, and obviously because we have a direct connection here, metal to metal, there is no dampening washer between the mounts. So maybe I will find out and put some rubber underneath that clamp of the bearing, and that might reduce the noises as well. We'll see, but at the moment I'm going to give it a go as it is, because it's too much of a hassle to remove that bloody screw and I need to start printing anyway. So time is chasing me for now. Right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I can't really give you any comparison when I will run this printer after the dampening plate on the bed motor, but I will be able to tell you from literally basing on my experience. I ran that printer without any dampening plates, and I will run it soon today, and I will see the difference or not. Let's see, and hope to see you soon. Bye, and don't worry to smash the likes. Don't worry, smash the likes, guys. Thank you very much for watching.